Color makes me happy. I think it helps break up the monotony. My name's Kari. I'm a blogger. I do a lot of DIY, home decor, crafts. I definitely like to go outside the lines a little bit. If it's weird, I probably like it. My kids are both so unique. I love the time that we spend creating together, and I love to have them helping me and see their take on it. I've been really impressed with the quality of all the Cricut products. This infusible ink is amazing. I'm so excited. I didn't think something that's that simple would be so vibrant and bright, and it just seemed like part of the shirt. With vinyl, sometimes it ripples or, with movement, but the infusible ink it's not on top. It feels like it's in there. My kids are super wild and they're always getting into messes, so the fact that this will hold up in the wash really well is really exciting. It's really special when you can be creative and make something, but it's actually something that you'll use in your everyday life.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.